Students, today are going to learn the name of chapter is coordinates. What do you mean by coordinates? Okay, let's see. Before that, listen the blackboard. Here I draw a graph. In 9th standard, in the physics subject, chapter 2, equations of motion. In that chapter, you learn to draw graphs. So listen. Here, the two perpendicular lines are drawn, and the points are marked in the axis. So it is the x-axis. The horizontal line is called the x-axis and vertical line is y-axis. X-axis and y-axis. Okay. And the two axes are intersect at 0, and this point is called the origin. It is the origin of x and y axes, and these are positive numbers from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are positive numbers, and these are negative numbers. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. And it is the positive part. It is represented as x, and the negative part is represented as x dash. And the vertical line is y-axis, and the positive part is represented as y, and the negative part of y-axis is represented as y dash. Okay. And what do you mean by coordinates? Coordinates are denoted as x, y. It is a pair of numbers denoted as x, y. X denotes the number in x-axis. X is number in x-axis. And y denotes number in y-axis. Coordinates are denoted as x, y. X is number in x-axis, y is number in y-axis, and it is the origin, and the coordinate of origin is 0, 0. X coordinate is 0, y coordinate is also 0, because the two coordinates are intersect at 0. So coordinate of the origin is 0, 0. And in x-axis, the y coordinate is always 0. In x-axis, x-axis means the horizontal line. In this line, the y coordinate is 0. So mark the coordinate of this point. It is the 2 is lies in x-axis, and here the number in x-axis is 2. So the x coordinate is 2, and the y coordinate in x-axis, the y coordinate is 0. Here 2 is lies in x-axis, so the y coordinate of this point is 0. X coordinate is 2, y coordinate is 0, which is equal to y-axis. So this point is parallel to this y-axis. So here the number is 0, so y coordinate is 0. Then in y-axis, the x coordinate is 0. Y-axis, which one is y-axis? The vertical line. So what is the coordinate of this point? Here the y, the point in y axis is 3, so y coordinate is 3, but x coordinate is 0, because in y axis x coordinate is 0. So x is 0, comma y coordinate is 3. Okay, so coordinate of this point is 0, comma 3. Then what's the coordinate of this point? Here it is x-axis. In x-axis y coordinate is 0. So coordinate of this point is minus 3, 0. In x-axis y coordinate is 0. But in y-axis x coordinate is 0. So what is the coordinate of this point? Here it is y-axis. So x coordinate is 0, y coordinate is minus 3. So coordinates are 0, comma minus 3. Okay. Listen, the two axes are intersect at this point, and this point is called the origin, and the coordinates of origin is always 0, 0. Then in x-axis y coordinate is 0, and in y-axis x coordinate is 0. Next question. Draw coordinate of axis and mark the coordinate given below. Okay, so first draw the coordinate of axis. Coordinate of axis is drawn. Now mark the coordinates given below. First coordinate is 0, 0. 0, 0 means origin. The coordinates of origin is always 0, 0. Then second one 4, 0. Here the x coordinate is 4 and y coordinate is 0. If y coordinate is 0, then that coordinate is lies in x-axis. In x-axis the y coordinate is always 0. So 4, 0 comes here. 4, 0. It is lies in x-axis. Then 0 minus 4. Here x coordinate is 0. So it comes in y-axis. In y-axis the x coordinate is always 0. So 0 minus 4. So minus 4 is here. And coordinate of this point is 0 minus 4. Next one 2, 3. So 2 is the number in x-axis and 3 is number in y-axis. So 2 is here and 3 is here. So 2, 3 is this point is 2, 3. First mark the number in x-axis. In x-axis it is 2 and in y-axis it is 3. So this point is 2, 3. The next one is minus 4, 1. X coordinate is minus 4, y coordinate is 1. So in x-axis minus 4 is here. Then y-axis point is 1. Minus 4, 1 is this point is minus 4, 1. The next one minus 3, minus 2. So minus 3 is number in x-axis. So minus 3 is here, then minus 2 is number in y-axis. This minus 3 and minus 2. This point is minus 3, minus 2. Next one, 2 minus 4. So 2 is x coordinate, then minus 4 is y coordinate. So 2 minus 4. Minus 4. Next one, 4 comma minus 2. 4 is x coordinate, minus 2 is y coordinate. So in x coordinate 4 is here, and in y coordinate minus 2 is here. So 4 minus 2. So this point is 4 minus 2. Okay, like this you also draw in your notebook. Now in your textbook, open page number 135. First question. Find the coordinates of other 3 vertices of the rectangle below. So figure is given. In this figure, we have to calculate the other 3 vertices, the coordinates of the other 3 vertices of this rectangle. Okay. So the coordinate of one vertex is given. It is 4, 3. So here 4 denotes the number in x-axis. So this number is 4. And y3 denotes number in y-axis. So this point is 3. That means this length is 4 centimeter. 1, 2, 3, 4. This length is 3 centimeter. Okay. By using this coordinate, we have to calculate the other 3 coordinates. So what is the coordinate of this point? Here it is x-axis. The number lies in x-axis. In x-axis, the y coordinate is 0. So coordinate of this point is 4, 0. In x-axis, y coordinate is 0. This point is 4. So 4 and 0. Then it is the origin. The coordinate of origin is 0, 0. Then what is the coordinate of this point? This point is lies in y-axis. In y-axis, x coordinate is 0. So x coordinate is 0. Y coordinate is this point. That is 3. 0, 3. Okay. Next, second question. In the rectangle shown below, the sides are parallel to the axis. And origin is the midpoint. In this figure, origin is the midpoint and the sides are parallel to the axis. These two sides are parallel to x-axis and these two sides are parallel to y-axis. What are the coordinates of other 3 vertices of the rectangle? We have to calculate the other 3 vertices. Coordinates of other 3 vertices of this rectangle. One coordinate is given 3, 2. By using this, calculate the other 3 vertices. Okay. So here 3, 2. 3 denotes the number in x-axis. Here x-axis is this line. So 3 is here. This number is 3 because this length is 3 centimeter. And y coordinate is 2. This line is parallel to y-axis. So this length is 2 centimeter. This point is 2. That means this length is 2 centimeter. Okay. Then here this distance is 3. Then this distance is also 3. That is -1, -2 is -3. And here this distance is 2 centimeters. So this distance is also 2 centimeters. -1, -2. Now calculate the coordinates of other 3 vertices. So what is the coordinate of this point? Here x coordinate is 3, comma, y coordinate is -2. That is 3, -2. And here the both coordinates are negative. That is x coordinate is -3, y coordinate is -2. -3, -2. Then what about this point? X coordinate is -3, y coordinate is 2. -3, 2. What is the coordinate of origin? It is 0, 0. Okay. What is the coordinate of this point? It is x-axis. In x-axis, y coordinate is 0. That is 3, 0. And here it is also in the x-axis, -3, 0. Here it is y-axis. In y-axis, x coordinate is 0. So coordinate of this point is 0, 2. And coordinate of this point is 0, -2. In x-axis, y coordinate is 0. And in y-axis, x coordinate is 0. Okay. Next question. The triangle shown below is equilateral. Listen the figure. This triangle is an equilateral triangle. Find the coordinate of its vertices. We have to calculate the coordinates of these 3 vertices. Okay. And this triangle is an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means 3 sides are equal and 3 angles are equal. So angles are 60 degree. We have to calculate the coordinates of these 3 vertices. So it is the origin. So coordinate of this point is 0, 0. What is the coordinate of this point? This length is 4 centimeter and it is the x-axis. In x-axis, y coordinate is 0. And this point is 4. It is 4, 0. Okay. Then the third vertex. What is the coordinate of this point? So here x coordinate is not there and y coordinate is not here. So first draw a perpendicular line. Since it is an equilateral triangle, this perpendicular line bisects the base. So total length is 4 centimeter. Therefore this length is 2 centimeter. That means this point is 2. This point is 2. Therefore, x coordinate is 2. The x coordinate is 2 because this point is 2. Then what about y coordinate? This length is not given, isn't it? So we have to find out this length by using the ratio method. In 5th chapter we learned ratio method. So first find out the length of this line. This length is equal to this length. So find out this length first. So this angle is 60, then this angle is 90, therefore this angle is 30 degree. If the angles of triangle are 30, 60 and 90 degree, then their sides are in the ratio 1:√3:2. That is, the opposite side of 30 is 1. Opposite side of 60 degree is root 3. Then opposite side of 90 degree is 2. We have to calculate the length of CD. CD equal to ratio of CD. What is the ratio? Root 3. Root 3 divided by, in this triangle which length is given? OD length is given. So its ratio is 1. 1 into the length. What is the length of OD? It is 2 centimeter. This root 3 by 1 is root 3. Root 3 into 2 is 2 root 3. That is, length of CD is 2 root 3 and this length is equal to this length. CD is equal to OE. That is 2 root 3. Therefore, this point is 2 root 3. Therefore, y coordinate of this point is 2 root 3. Therefore, the coordinates of other 3 vertices are 0, 0, 4, 0 and 2, 2 root 3. Okay, understood? Okay, that's all in today's class.